I guess it's just like a very personal question. I wouldn't dare ask anyone that, but Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Friday, no, it's Thursday. Man, being home in quarantine literally has messed up my schedule. The past few weeks I've been eating so clean and not eating a lot of carbs, and I find that it's been like a struggle. Like every now and again I get those weird headaches. And it's not even a headache, it's just like a weird feeling in my head, and then I eat carbs and it actually feels better. So I don't know, I'm trying to create a balance because I was trying to kind of stick with a lower carb diet per se, only because I have to be on the lookout for gestational diabetes. I'm just trying to be super cautious. But on the other hand, I notice now since I've gotten pregnant that it's like I'm eating too low of a carb and it's really affecting my head. So I just need to get that. I gotta figure things out with that. But I just ate a bunch of crepes with whipped cream and maple syrup, authentic maple syrup. I ate it for lunch and then I kind of ate a few for snacks. Anyways, the family, my whole family, they're on the couch, and I just want to put out there, for you guys that don't know my family because you're not aware of my actual family vlog channel. It is in the description box. We're called the Zebra Tribe Fam, so you'll get to see real life family vlogs on there, but I'm gonna be incorporating them on this channel here and there. I will have in like sit down videos so you guys can get to know them, because I realize there are a lot of you guys that just don't know my family. You don't know how many kids I have. A few of you have actually asked like how many kids do you have, or I think some of you guys think that someone actually asked, someone said why would I tie my tubes so soon after having a baby, only to untie them because you didn't know my full story. Pretty sure that person just didn't know my story. They didn't realize that I actually have three other children outside of Zoe, and I'm so out of breath. This pregnancy symptom is the one that I feel the most. It's like so hard to talk and to just keep up with my own sentences. Yeah, I have three older girls, and I've been married to the same person. He's the same father to all of my kids. I guess I'm getting a little personal here because I feel like it's so strange. I shouldn't have to answer it like that, and I know that you guys are just asking out of curiosity, but I can understand how it can still come across as like, I guess it's just like a very personal question. I wouldn't dare ask anyone that, but I know from my perspective, because I'm putting it on YouTube, people, or because I post different things on YouTube, people are curious. So no offense to you who asked, but yeah, my husband is the same father to all of my children. We got married really young. I've been sharing pieces of my story. I still have parts that have been filmed to share on my teen pregnancy story and all that stuff that I just haven't finished editing to post yet, but I still will post it in parts. I just got to a different place in life and wanted to have more kids, and I had tied my tubes after the three girls, my older three girls. I have all girls, 4 girls. And then I untied it 8 years later. So it might look funny to some of you guys who are relatively new and you're not quite sure about my journey, because you're only seeing me post my pregnancy journey, but you're not quite sure who I am. You're like, who the heck is this chick? Like, yeah, we're watching her live pregnancy test, we're following this journey of hers, but who is she? Well, that's the point of, I guess that's why I want to kind of do a little background story and I guess share a little bit more, maybe meet my family and meet my kids, stuff like that, so you guys can fully understand my journey a little bit. So a bunch of stuff just came in the mail. I just got a nice package from Lush. Oh man, I ordered this thing like maybe 5-6 weeks ago, and it literally took that long to get to me. Lately I've been suffering from like KP, and if you guys don't know what it is, it's keratosis pilaris. It's like when they call it chicken skin for short. And my skin, like it's like little tiny raised bumps. It's so irritating. it's not very I don't know, it's not very nice to have, because like come summer you want to go outside and you want to dress and be comfortable without having like rough patches of skin. So I have dealt with it in the past, and it's gone. It comes and goes depending on the weather, depending on just all types of stuff. I don't know what all these things are, why it comes about. So I ordered a bunch of stuff. One of the main things I got is this here. It's called Bump Eraser, and it exfoliates the skin. What it is, it's a scrub. It says that it's perfect for sensitive skin, and yeah, what it does is it erases the rough patches on your skin. But I went ahead and ordered 2 because I just didn't want to have to spend time keep reordering it. I have used this particular brand before. I used it as a scrub, but it was in like a big tub, and it wasn't available in Canada actually. So the brand looks the same. Is it the one that I ordered? I think I ordered the other one. It was called I don't know, there was another brand that was similar that was here before, but it's not allowed in Canada or for some reason, and if I want to order it, it's going to cost me double. So Sephora had this one as an option, and it had amazing reviews, so I went ahead and got it. Then in the Lush package, I just have a few scrubs in there. Okay, I feel like it's Christmas. Oh, look at all the stuffing that's in there. So the first scrub that I got is the Dream Cream. This is a lotion. It's a Dream Cream lotion. Apparently, I used this before and I think I really liked it. It's supposed to soften your skin. This one says soothes and moisturize even the most sensitive skin. So yeah, I ordered a big one, and this was I think like 44 bucks. The next one I ordered is the Ocean Salt, and this is it's a scrub. Mineral rich sea salt, brightening lime and softening avocados. And the next one is a shower scrub. What's this one called? It's just called shower scrub. Oh, it's fruity charcoal scrub for seriously soft skin. Never used this one before at all, but so I'm going to try these. I'm going to go ahead and try these out. I'm actually going to go have a quick shower. I don't want, before this vlog gets too long, I want to go have a shower because I want to take out my hair today, and I also want to get a couple videos edited. The baby's taking a nap right now. My toddler's taking a nap right now. It would be a great time to take a nap because my older kids are now, I think they're having a little Minecraft fun with their dad. So it would be a perfect opportunity to take a nap. But as a mom, I feel like it's just so hard to find the time to do it, or just prioritize myself, really. Like, I can fill in the gap, but there's always so much to do. It's just a matter of, I guess, maybe writing things down in order of priority and seeing exactly which one I want to get off the list. I probably should take a 20-minute nap. Like, that's all I need. You know, I'm pregnant. I want to get rest because it's only going to get more difficult from here in terms of not getting enough sleep. So, and I'm already not getting enough sleep because when we're, you know, the fact that I'm quarantined, we're quarantined every day. We can't get out to enjoy life outside, so I find it a little bit more draining in here, and then I'm not getting enough sleep at night. So I think first and foremost I should take a nap, and then when I get up I should just throw myself in the shower and then take out my hair, and then I can always edit the vlog later on the couch. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want to see more vlog style videos where I incorporate a little bit more things, but it's going to be particularly like, you know, mommyhood, you want to see that, leave a comment down below and I will start doing some of that because I don't mind. If you want to see like strictly family vlogs, definitely check out my family vlog channel. As I said, the link will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching, guys, for tuning in, and until next time, much love. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know, how are you guys handling this quarantine? How are you handling it, especially you guys who are moms of little ones? Is it difficult? Like how do you find it? Overall, I have a positive mindset, I have a positive attitude about it, but I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit stressful, especially when outside looks like this. Can you see that? Look outside. The sun is shining so bright. Yep, we're all cooped up inside.